This vehicle is a 1994 Ford 350 DISEL Econoline Commercial Cutaway YHAUL, with 216,000 miles. Brought to you by Desert Import Export. This Ford is a two-doors vehicle with 8 cylinders. This vehicle is for sale for only $4,900. For more information, please visit us at desertimportexport.com or call us at 760-895-5285. Thank you for watching our video.